Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. My today's recipe is Spinach Pesto Sandwich, a wholesome, tasty sandwich which is packed with veggies and some paneer to add that protein as well. Usually the key ingredient of pesto is basil leaves, but here I've given it a healthy twist by adding some spinach, which not only enhances the flavor but makes this sandwich a perfect meal to start the day with. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll make the pesto sauce. Into your food processor or blender, add 2 cups of spinach leaves and give them a good blend. Now we'll add 2 cups of basil leaves and blend it again. We'll also add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 1/3 cup chopped cashews, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/3 cup Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, and we'll give it a good blend until everything is well combined. And the pesto sauce is ready. We'll keep this aside and saute some veggies to make the filling for the sandwich. So on a medium heated pan, we'll heat up around half tablespoon oil. And now we'll add 1.5 cup mixed bell peppers. Saute them for around 2 minutes. Now we'll add some diced paneer or cottage cheese and continue sauteing for 2 more minutes. Now we'll add in some mixed dried Italian herbs, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and we'll continue sauteing for 1 more minute. Now turn off the heat and let them cool completely until we toast some bread for the sandwich. On a low to medium heated pan, place some bread slices and toast them from both the sides until they are crisp. And it's time to assemble the sandwich. So first we'll spread the pesto sauce generously. Then we'll add in the filling. Spread the sauce on the other slice as well. And there you go. A wholesome, delicious spinach pesto sandwich is ready to enjoy.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never tried a sandwich with spinach pesto, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.